Okay guys, I'm gonna take these clips off right here. It's two of them, real nice and easy. Okay, I got them out. As you can see right here, that's the bolt. That's the one we're gonna be taking out. As you can see, this one right here, I already got it out. I got 1, 2, 3 out of here. I use this one. So yeah, I already got this one out. And that's the, you can see the filter right there. Yeah, that's the one we're gonna be. The space right here is a little bit tight, so we're gonna see what we can do. All right, let's take this. Let's work on this one right here. All right, let's do it. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be using the 17 millimeters. I'm gonna be using this one right here because just for a couple extra. Oh, I got it now. Let's drain this oil. If you got one like this, that's fine. That's perfectly fine. Just put in this hole right here. Yeah. And then put your hand right here. You just put it right here. Try to make it tight. Right here. Yeah, you see how I got it? Yeah, that's how you do it. And then I wanna just do it by hand to get ready to catch the oil. All right. Yeah, just do it by hand. And get ready. I can I'm gonna put my hand right here in order to catch it. Using my hand. Okay, got it out. Now I'm gonna put the new one and new oil. Okay, now I'm gonna place back the bolt, and I'm gonna put the oil filter TG9688. All right, let's do it. Yeah, just make sure you got this cap off in order for the oil to come out completely, because as you can see, it's still dripping right here. As you can see right here, it's still dripping a little bit. Okay, as you can see right here, oil and filter. Okay, as you can see right here, I'm gonna put some oil in the filter right here. I'm gonna put some right here with the bolt for a better grip. All right, we're good now. Put this back in here. And let's do this. Tight though. Yeah, that should be good. Now let's put the filter right here. I'm gonna clean it a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna clean it a little bit. And yeah, I already put oil on the filter. All right. Okay, that's my filter. Put it right there. Not too tight. There you go. I'm gonna make it just a little bit tighter with this thing right here, just a little bit more, just to make sure not too much. Okay, as you can see right here, I got this ready, and now just I'm gonna make it tight. Not too much though. Okay, that should be good. You see my arm? I got it right here in this part. All right, that's good. Okay, now I'm gonna put this back right here. Yeah, I'm gonna oil and up there. All right. Okay, we're gonna put this right here. Okay, 5 there. Now I'm gonna turn on the engine and let it run for 15 minutes and see how much I need to put. They say it's like 5.5. We're gonna see. Okay, now I'm gonna take it down the ramps and park it on level. Level is right. I'm gonna do it right there. And see this oil stick and not some more. Okay, I'm gonna put like half of it, 5 point. Oh, that should be good. Like a little bit less than the half. All right, guys. Yeah. That's what the book says. All right. Thanks for watching.